Hey folks, Dave here from Cloud & C. Let's install Cam Assist for Autodesk Fusion. First, we're going to open up the Windows File Explorer. I'm just going to use the Window key E shortcut to open that up, and we'll navigate to the Downloads folder where we can see the installer file we just downloaded. I'm going to double click on that. Okay, so here's the installer. What we're going to do is click Next on this first screen. We'll initially see the Terms of Use agreement, which we can review before pressing the I agree button down below. Oh, looks like I've got Fusion still open, so let's close that down, and then we'll press retry. Okay, looks like the installer has finished. We'll make sure that box is checked to run Autodesk Fusion and press finish. Awesome. Now, what we'll do to verify that everything is installed properly, we won't see anything here on the Design tab, but if we move over to the Manufacturer workspace, we should see a Cam Assist icon over here on the far right side of the ribbon. And if we want to validate that everything's working properly, we can open up a demo part. I'll use Demo 1. We can click on the big icon here to launch Cam Assist. You might be asked to log in with your Autodesk credentials in a browser window. Just like this, I'll press allow, and then I'll close down my browser. That'll bring up the Cam Assist menu, and all we need to do just to validate that it's working, we can leave all the settings checked the way they are and just hit run. Awesome. And once that's loaded, we get our result. Looks like we've done everything properly, and we're off to the races with Cam Assist. Thanks for watching.